Takin to sa. Start of the ball game, Jabol. Jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 420. 10 to shoot.
Wala! Uy, napagit yan.
Foul jersey number 4. That is your first personal foul.
Ay, palasok.
'Now jersey number 5, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 4 to 24. Pull up jumper, foul. Committed by jersey number 77. That is your first personal foul. One out of two. Jersey number 24. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 5. Jersey number 24. Fake. Pass to jersey number 4. To jersey number 24. Kick out to jersey number 5. 3-point fires. No good. Out of bounds. Jersey number 24. Kabu. Ball taken by jersey number 5. Kabus. Foul. Jersey number 7. That is your first personal foul. Now jersey number 5. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 14. 3-point fires. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 5. Pass to 24. Now jersey number 24 to jersey number. Layup to no good. Rebound by 420. No good. Pass break. Jersey number 15. Behind the back. Pass to jersey number 4. 3-point fires. Kabus. Jersey number 77. Kuhain Japon. 8 minutes. Jersey number 24. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. Pass to jersey number 4. 2 points. 3-0. Now jersey number 24. Dribbling the wall. Tamaan ke atas. Out of bounds. Now jersey number 5. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 4. To jersey number 24. Kick out. To jersey number 15. 3 points. No good. Ball taken by 77. Jersey number 77. Attacking the basket coast to coast. Off the glass, 2 points.
Kung ahayaw.
2-3.
Siya lang isa kang pako.
Jersey number 15, 3-point pass. Kabos. Pass break. Jersey number 7. Follow up by 420. Wala Japon. 2 points. Pa-change favor. Now jersey number 5. Drive the ball. Pass to jersey number 24. 3-point pass. Kapos mo Japon. Pass to jersey number 5. 10 to shoot. 3-point pass. Why Japon? Ball taken by 77. Now jersey number 77. Ano pa? Ano na ko sa nagpod niya? Jersey number 7. Why Japon? Jersey number 5. Layup. 2 points. 5-4. Jersey number 420. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 24.
Manuno pa sa tapan ni Chubol.
Why Japon? Now jersey number 15. Attacking the basket. Foul. Also the charger. Jersey number 77. Warning for segment to a call. Jersey number 77. Excessive complaining. Warning. One out of 2. 6-4. Jersey number 24. Kapus. Rebound by 24. Three-point pass. Kapus. Jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 77. Gaw pa. Jersey number 5. Pass. 2 points. 8-4. Jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 420. Jerry Layup 2 points. 6-8. Jersey number 5. Pass to 4. To jersey number 15 to 14. Follow up. 2 points. 10-6. Jersey number 77. Nice pass. Foul jersey number 15. First personal foul. Four minutes remaining time. Score 18. Mayap. Jersey number 5, 3-point fires, no good. Rebound by 11. Out of bounds. Now jersey number 13, dribbling the ball. Pass to 77, attacking the basket. Pass to 7, 2 points. So Wallace.
Dua lang sila ng
Wallace. Jersey number 5. Pass to 11 to 24. Back to jersey number 5. Back to jersey number 24. 3-point fires. No good. Rebound by Vivian. Nakuha sa jersey number 7. Sunod sab. O 14 shot clock lang, 14. Wallace Gis. 14 shot clock lang ta. Jersey number 5. 3-point fires. Why Japon? Rebound by jersey number 7. Pass break to 13. To jersey number 420. Follow up. Agad pa. Pilap lang. Kasi yung volta. Time out. 3 minutes for remaining time. Wallace Gis. 3-point fires. No good. Why Japon? Pabus. Rebound taken by 15. Pass to jersey number 5. Now jersey number 5. Dribbling the ball. Pass to 11. To jersey number 4. Drop pass to jersey number 15. Block. Foul. Jersey number 13. That is your first personal foul. So basket first free throw. 11-10. Two out of 2. 2 out of 10. Duwabansin. 2 minutes and 35. Now jersey number 13 pass to 77. Jersey number 77. Now jersey number 15, coast to coast, layup, 2 points, 14-10. Now jersey number 13, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 7. Foul jersey number 5. Second personal foul. Guba ay switch lang. Wala na, gapilit. Gapilit ang yan, hindi mapatay. Sab. Jersey number 7. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Jersey number 11, that is your first personal foul. Ten to shoot. Sidestep. Friendly bounce, 2 points. May saban siya. Jersey number 5. Pass to 11. Jersey number 25. Bam! 3 points.
Ano no, diretso no.
Sunod. 57 seconds, 57. Jersey number 7.
Lahat sila yan. Balitan nila na yan.
4-0, first personal foul. 53 seconds, reset, shot clock to 14.
Shot!
10 to shoot, 50 seconds. Forty seconds. Pass break. Out of bounds. 33 segundos, 33. Two points. Oh, Wallace, 30. Wallace na. Bainte. 10 to shoot. Kabos. 14 segundos, 14.
Nag-go-turong ka. Log na nag-go-turong ka.
10. Back 2 points. 5. Change play 4 na.
End of first
Pansin na din 2. Pansin na din change play 4 ta.
End of the first quarter.
Now jersey number 5. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 14. Back to jersey number 5. 3-point fires. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 7. Pass to 420. Jersey number 420. Layup. Kabus. Now jersey number 24. 3-point. Kabus. Rebound by 77. Steal by 24. Out of bounds. Jersey number 77. Nabuyan niya. Tapos yung jersey number 24. Pass to 77. Now jersey number 77. Pass to 24. Pull up jumper. Kabus. Rebound 15. Pass break na namin sa pasa. Layup. Jersey number 7. Pass to 77. Off the glass. 2 points. Kawansin is lapat. Now jersey number 5. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 15. To jersey number 14. No good. A rebound by 77. Now jersey number 77. Dribbling the ball. Pass to 24. To jersey number 420. To jersey number 7. 2 points. 23-17. Now jersey number 5. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 24. Jersey number 24. Kick out to 15. 3-point fires. 3 points. 20-23. Jersey number 24 to jersey number 7. Tapos, rebound by jersey number 15. Now jersey number 15. Attacking the basket, coast to coast. Yep, no good. Rebound by 77. Now jersey number 77, pass to 420. To jersey number 7. Drop pass to 420 to jersey number 77. Uway pa. Una pa sa jersey number 7. 2 points. foul. Foul jersey number 7. Second personal foul.
Saya
Ikaw palakit na! Kung ikaw ka naman sakit ka ron, mga boss ka! Pangutos lang ha! Go lang natin kami! Pangutos!
Jersey number 5 to jersey number 15. Fake. Tapos, 2 points. 22-23.
Ara na nuno!
22-25. Jersey number 77. Pass to jersey number 1. 3 points. Bang! 3 points. Now jersey number 5. Dribbling the ball. 10 to shoot. Kabukid. Jersey number 1. Off the glass, 2 points. 30-22. 3-point fouls. Kabos. There's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 1. That is your first personal foul. Jersey number 4. 10 to shoot. 3-point fouls. Swiped. Rebound by 77. Pass to jersey number 1. Now jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 77. Batting number jersey number 4. Pass to jersey number 5. Jersey number 15. 2 points. 24-30.
Sununo ha! Si Along gaw lang!
Jersey number 1. Dribbling the ball.
Mabot si Along!
10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Jersey number 29. First personal foul. Sulit sir. Sulit. Sab. Jersey number 5. 3-point pass. No good. Wala po. Jersey number 5. Pass to jersey number 77. Fake. Pass to jersey number 7. Kabus. Pass to jersey number 11. There is a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 77.
Naulan ka
Tatlo ko na time. Time out.
Remaining time, 5 minutes, 2 seconds.
Go back to the ball game.
Score 30-24 in favor of Bactals. Back to the ball game.
Jersey number 15 back to jersey number 5. 2-15. 3-point fouls. No good. A rebound taken by jersey out of bounds. Same ball. Jersey number 4, 3 points, no good. Rebound by 15. Off the glass, 2 points. Pataman C, 26-30. Jersey number 1. to 7. Back to jersey number 1. 3 points. Bang! 3 points. 33-26. Jersey number 5. Pass to jersey number 11. Back to jersey number 5. Deflected from behind. Pass break. Jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 7 to jersey number 28. Off the glass. 2 points. 35-26. Siya naman si jersey number 15. Attacking the basket. Foul. Kasunod sir sa 4 minutes remaining time. 1 out of 2. 27-35. Jersey number 1. Pass to 20. To jersey number 1. Nice pass. Off the glass. 2 points. Opulo Bansi. Jersey number 24. Attacking the basket. Friendly bounce. 2 points. 29-37. Now jersey number 1. Dribbling the ball. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Jersey number 24 pass to jersey number 14. Off the glass, 2 points. (31-37).
Last 3 minutes.
Time remaining 3 minutes 20. The jersey number 13 dribbling the ball. Pass to 20, back to 13, to jersey number 7. To jersey number 420, to 20. Foul committed by jersey number 11. That is your second personal foul.
Uy, sigla.
Sunod. 38-31. Two minutes and 40.
38-31 in favor of
Now
Bacta.
jersey number
Remaining
24.
time, 2 minutes, 30
Pass to
seconds.
15 to jersey number 4. To jersey number 24 to 11. 10 to shoot. No. Foul, jersey number 77. Tatlo ka na. That is your third personal foul. One out of 2. The jersey number 13 dribbling the ball. To 77, 3-point pass. Kabus. Rebound by 24. Now he's dribbling the ball. 2 minutes remaining time. Jersey number 4 pull-up jumper. 2 points. Apat, 34-38. Now jersey number 13 dribbling the ball. Pass to 77. To jersey number 420. No good. Agaw, pass break. Agawan. Jersey number 13 to 77. Side step. Drop pass. Tapos. Jersey number 5. Foul committed by jersey number 420. First personal foul. 1 minute and 18 Dominican. Basket first free throw, tatlo na lang.
Lagi mo tadaan sa pag-umuligo, sinapat ako.
2 out of 2. 36-38. Jersey number 13, dribbling the ball. Pass to 77. 1 minute, remaining time. 3-point fires. 3 points. 50 seconds. Jersey number 15, Balos. Tapos. Jersey number 15, side step. Tapos pa. 40 seconds. Jersey number 77. Of the last 2 points.
Go, Rocky na sinuno yan. Siya lang, ano ko.
30 seconds. Jersey number 4. 2 points.
Ang dali no.
20.
Alok ko na abulo, yan ang nagsimo.
15.
Wala na katuwid, lang pabairan, abulo.
10. 5. 4 segundos, 4. 4 seconds.
Ato ilo na!
O 38-43, limaban siya.
Abulo!
Siya. Start of third quarter. Jersey number 1, dribbling the ball. 3-point fires. No good. Rebound by 24. Pass to jersey number 5. Now he's dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 15. Back to jersey number 5 to 24. 3-point fires. Bang! 3 points. So, duha na lang kabansi. Jersey number 1, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 77. Fake. Kabos. Rebound by jersey number 5. Pass to jersey number 24. Jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 5. To jersey number 15. To jersey number 24. Attacking the basket. Fake. Pull up. Out the glass to Wallace. Wallace. 43 all. Jersey number 1, dribbling the ball. Fake. Pass to 77. Back to jersey number 1 to jersey number 7. Ball taken by 24. Now jersey number 24, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 5 to jersey number 15. 3-point pass, no good. Ball taken by jersey number 5. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 3-point. 3 points. Avansi na sa biyak. 46-43.
Sulan na, blang sa bongga.
10 to shoot. Traveling violation. Jersey number 15, layup, 2 points. Abansin na 5 sa piyak. 10-0 run. Jersey number 77. Ball taken by 7. 10 to shoot. Out of bounds. Turnover. Sunod, Sam. Sunod. Jersey number 5. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 24. Foul jersey number 1, second personal foul. Reset shot clock to 14.
Respect.
3-point fires. Tatlo at tres ba?
Manok ka pa sa dati.
13-0 run. Balos. Kabos. Agaw. Tutikan lang. 10 to shoot. Nice pass. Foul jersey number 4. That is your second personal foul. 51-43. 6 minutes 43. Oh, sub. 1 out of 2. 44-51. Jersey number 5 to jersey number 11. Deflected. Steal. Pass break to jersey number 7. Off the glass, 2 points.
Akop balas. Akop balas.
Jersey number 5, dribbling the ball.
Akop lang balas.
3-point pass, no good. Rebound by 7. Pass to jersey number 7. Third drop, Kabus. Rebound by 77. Lapawan. Asay sa 24. Jersey number 77. 2 points. 48-51, tatlo. Jersey number 5, dribbling the ball. Jersey number 11. Back to jersey number 5, to jersey number 4. 3-point pass, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number pass to 24. Now jersey number 24. Pull up jumper, no good. Rebound by 420. O isa na lang banse. 50-51.
Sebe lang ang TikTok.
Jersey number 5, dribbling the ball. 3-point pass. 3 points. Pull up jumper, why? Rebound by jersey number 7. No good. Rebound by 14. Ball taken by jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 14. 3 points. No good. Rebound by jersey number 77. 2-7. Out of bounds.
Ako balas.
Jersey number 15, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 4. Jersey number 14. 10 to shoot. Foul. Committed by jersey number 420. That is your second personal foul.
Ako balas. May check ka lang na na.
That's absolute. $55-50. Now jersey number 24. Attacking the basket. 10 to shoot. Off the glass, 2 points.
Iyan na bata na.
Jersey number 5, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 24. To jersey number 4. To 24. Off the glass, 2 points. Ten to shoot. Foul, jersey number 15. Tatlo ka na, jersey number 15. Sunod, sab, sunod. Wala ka lima sab, wala. Tatlo na, tatlo. Ginalawag ko taga-foul. One out of 2. 53-54. 53-57. Hindi, sorry. Jersey number 5. Screen by jersey number 40. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 4. Attacking the basket. There's a whistle. Foul committed. Jersey number 5. First personal foul.
Balas. Hindi sa paslog din yung patulo na. Parang siya sa'yo.
Jersey number 24. 58-53. Jersey number 77. Lapaw. Jersey number 5. Pass to jersey number 40. Jersey number 5. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Tapos. Hindi, hindi. Two minutes and 3. 53-58. Back to the ball game. Jersey number 4. 10 to shoot.
Wala.
5 to shoot. Okay. Foul jersey number 14. First personal foul. 1 minute 48 remaining time. 53-58. Jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 7. 2 points.
Gala. Paano? Artista. Man ba? Puno ng artista.
55-58.
Ako balas.
Jersey number 5, 3 points. Kabos. Rebound by 7 to 77. Pass to jersey number 24. 2 points. O isa na lang abanse. 57-58. Jersey number 5, dribbling the ball. 1 minute remaining time. Jersey number 14, pull-up jumper. 2 points. Tatlo gumaya. 50 seconds. Oy, nagawa pa. Jersey number 24, dribbling the ball. 40 seconds. 3-point pass. 3 points. 30 seconds. Go again. Jersey number 24, sidestep, foul. Foul committed by jersey number 24. That is your second personal foul. 23 seconds remaining time. 23.
Shot! Tama na rin.
Nasunod sa 64, 57, 23 seconds remaining time. 23. Wala na sa clock. 20.
Dalam-dalam!
15.
Ari, baba!
10.
Tayo isa, loob. Hello!
5. 3-point. Kabos. Ano time?
And
Okay, Toban says 64-57. We're going to the fourth and final quarter.
64-67. Back to the ball game. Last and final quarter.
Back to the ball game. Good luck. Start of fourth
Last and
quarter.
final quarter.
Now jersey number 24. Dribbling the ball. Pass to 11. 10 to shoot. Kabos. Now jersey number 24. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 77. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 2 points.
Ako dito, makigas po nag-swak yun.
O 59, 64. Diba? Jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 4. Back to 24. To jersey number 4. 3-point pass. No good. There is a whistle. Foul. Committed by jersey number 77. Apat ka na. That is your fourth personal foul. Apat na 77 nyo.
Kulit na yan!
Ayaw lang.
Yan!
Utik-utik pa mga chinchanso.
Mina! Amin! Chinchanso!
Jersey number 24. Attacking the basket. Kick out to 77. 3-point pass. Bang! 3 points. O tatlo ah. Jersey number 24. 10 to shoot. 3 points man. Jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 7. Tapos, rebound by jersey number 4. Deflected. Nakuha si jersey number pass break. Taway. Jersey number 11. Layup 2 points. 70-62. Now jersey number 77. 3-point pass. Bang! 3 points. Olimari, what? Now jersey number 24. Dribbling the ball. Jersey number 24. Crossover. Deflected. 10 to shoot. 2 points. Jersey number 24. Dribbling the ball. Jersey number 77. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Stepping. Sunod sab.
Nakatupak ang bulam.
Bay, dalawang pipe!
Blindside to siya. Blindside. Di na correct lang. Oh, correction. Blue ball. Same ball. 14 shot clock to set. Jersey number 24. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Tapos. Red sub, sir. Red sub. 6:47. Last 6 minutes and 47. 72-65. Now jersey number 5. Dribbling the ball. Jersey number 15 to jersey number 5. To jersey number 24. Go get out of bounds. Same ball. Shot clock 10. 10 to shoot. Out of bounds. Same ball. Jersey number 24. 5 to shoot. Tapos. Out of bounds. Blue ball. 6 minutes 24 remaining time. 65-72. Mayak. Now jersey number 77. Dribbling the ball. Out of bounds. Turnover ba? Gumay lang ito. Now jersey number 5. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 4. Last 6 minutes. Jersey number 15. Layup no good. Rebound taken by 77. Now jersey number 77. Attacking the basket. Trap pass. There's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 4. That is your third personal foul. Tatlo ka na, jersey number 4. 2 shots.
Okay lang. Okay lang. Okay na po.
A basket, first free throw. 66-72.
Akong balas. Akot na yung mga sais.
2 out of 2. 67-72. Last 5 minutes and 54. Now jersey number 5 dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 4 to 24. To jersey number 5. 3-point pass. No good. Foul. Foul dito. Pat ka na. Jersey number 15. That is your fourth personal foul. Pat isa, pat. Jersey number 77. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 13. 3-point pass. Foul! 3 points. O, duwa na lang abansi.
Ano lang? Makakapupungan!
Jersey number 15. Balos. 3 points.
Daw lang ang pupungan!
Jersey number 77. Dribbling the ball.
Ay, duwade!
Jersey number 7. Layup. Grabe. Kuha mo ba? 2 points. Kalusot pa ba? 72-75. Tatlo. Jersey number 5 to 15. Taway. Then. Back to back 3 points. Anom. Last 4 minutes and 25. Jersey number 77. Foul. Sunod.
You ask your cheaters.
Jersey number 77. Pass to 7. Piko.
Kaya joke.
Foul. Sino foul? Jersey number 5. A second foul.
Second.
72-78. Last 4 minutes and 10.
Messi na una! Ulit! Wag lang Nasa
Basket first free throw. 73-78.
Ay, sabi na nila yung makya. Sabi na nila yung matres yung makya. Di po. Targa yung paloma. Kung tata yung matres ka lang. Tres lang. Tama
1 out of 2.
Okay,
Rebounding into jersey number 14.
Tres ay dito.
Now jersey number 5. Dribbling the ball. Last 4 minutes. Jersey number 15. There's no result. Foul committed by jersey number 7. That is your third personal foul. Last 4 minutes. Wala pa, sir. 2 pa lang. 3 pa. Jersey number 15. No good. Rebound by 77. Jersey number 77. Drop pass to jersey number 7. Kabos. Rebound by 420. Pass to 7. Volley up. No good. Ball taken by jersey number 5. Now jersey number 5. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 24. 10 to shoot. 3-point fires. Kabos. Ball taken by jersey number 7. Pass break. Taway. Jersey number 13. Kapal pa. Now jersey number 24. Trailing the ball. Delaying the basket.
Relax na nga.
Jersey number 14.
10
Last 3 minutes. 10 to shoot. Pull up jumper, kabos. Pass break, taway-taway. Jersey number 4. Kaya na ba? Wait, tatlo bansi. Ten to shoot. 3-point. Time out. 81. Now jersey number 24, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 77. Jersey number 77, drop pass to 420, pull up jumper, 2 points. And last 2 minutes. Jersey number 5 to 15. 10 to shoot. Buyan ulit, nabuyan. 1 minute and 40. Remaining time. Last 1 minute and 40. Jersey number 24. To dribbling the ball. Out of bounds. Last 1 minute and 29. Jersey number 5. Dribbling the ball. Seventy-seven, 81, apat. 10 to shoot! Nakuha sa 15! Aray ko! Nakuha, eh, matang-tugin siya. Nagkantugin siya. Jersey number 77. Kabos na. Last 1 minute! Nakuha pa sa 15. Ikaw,
Picturean sa karon palan. Picturean.
50 seconds. 10 to shoot. Taway-taway. Sumulagit. Aray ka. Last 42 seconds. Sulod nila tira. 86, 77. O 14 to 14 shot clock na 14. And up court inbound. Up court inbound. 14 to shoot. Last 42 seconds.
Wala pa!
40 seconds. Jersey number 7. Grabe galing-galing. Away, git. Wala, yun ang sulod.
Kondisyon, ganang dress.
30 seconds. Tapos.
Pisa mo na, Miki!
20.
Pisa mo na, Miki!
15. Foul. Basket down. 9 seconds, 9.
Wala kang siyan.
9 seconds, 9.
Masud lang! Ano si Boss Wako na
Ball! 4 seconds, 4. 4 segundos.
End of the game. Winning by Mayak.